PYQ'S.com.
Hi students, today we are going to start previous year examination question, and the difference of this session is it is going to contain online exam, offline exams, all examinations conducted by IIT, irrespective of it is online mode or offline mode, everything will be covered. Okay, and I will give you, first of all, you should give a try. Pause the video and try yourself. After that, check with my proper explanation and your answer. Okay. So if you are able to score above 80% in this question, that means you need not to worry about the IIT seat. Okay. So definitely you are going to be in from the chemistry side. I am telling you, from the chemistry side, you are going to be in the IITs. Okay, so this like this almost all chapters we have made previous year questions. Okay, so if you feel that if you are overconfident, if you are underconfident, if you don't aware, if you are not aware that whether my preparation is up to the standard or not, kindly check through this previous year question session. Okay, so it is not my made question, it is IIT made question. With that, you will come to know your approach is a problem or your preparation level is not up to that standard. Everything, it is like a litmus test. So diagnostic report will come to you. No, my answers are wrong because my approach is wrong. Or I am taking more time, I should follow the shortcuts. Okay. Or I have to learn more things. New things is to be learned. Like that, you will come to know after this type of sessions. Okay. So let's start one by one. Okay, here comes the first question. A solution containing group 4 cation. Now don't think that this group 4 is not periodic table. Okay, this is group classification we have studied in the qualitative analysis. If you are not aware about the group ions, then you can go through them. Okay, already group version is given in the first, second or third lectures. Group classification of metal ions. Okay, group a solution containing group 4 cation gives a precipitate passing through the H2S, and solution of precipitate in dilute HCl produces a white precipitate with NaOH solution and bluish white precipitate with a basic potassium ferrocyanide. Then the cation is. I think the question is clear now. Now it's your time to answer. Okay, you can think and answer, then check my explanation. So here it is the complete detailed information. Now you are given with four options. It can be cobalt, it can be nickel, it can be manganese, and it can be zinc. First we are reacting it with the dilute HCl. We are reacting it with what? Dilute HCl. So once you react with the dilute HCl, only zinc 2 positive and manganese 2 positive will react, whereas cobalt and nickel, after treating it with sulfide, they will form sulfide. Okay, so cobalt sulfide and nickel sulfide will not react at all, whereas zinc sulfide, manganese sulfide will react and form the chloride. But further conditions are met by the zinc chloride only. Okay, further conditions are not met by the manganese. Therefore, our answer is D. Okay, so but further information for this is a previous question. So online April 8th 2017, but same to same question will not be repeated. So you should have the in and around explanation of that concept. Okay, so that is NaOH, when it is treated, it is going to form white precipitate. Okay, zinc hydroxide is a white precipitate. Like this, you will start remembering. When you go through the solution, you will start remembering the new things. Okay, K4FeCN6. Then if it is treated with, then this 4 potassium will be simply replaced by 2 zinc, and it will give you the which type of precipitate? Bluish white precipitate. Okay, this is the formula of bluish white precipitate. formula of the white precipitate will be zinc hydroxide. So our answer to this question is D. Okay. So I think all of you will note down. Okay, here is the next question. This is a very famous question, widely asked in the forthcoming after the 2016. Once it was asked in the IIT exam, but it was changed many times in the different pattern. So because of this purpose only, I have made a separate lecture. Okay, separate lecture parts of the flame. Okay, so region of the flame, the further you will find in the qualitative analysis. Okay, so oxidizing flame, reducing flame, hottest region, what you call coldest region of the flame, like the different parts. It is completely explained there. You can go through that, but for the time being, okay. So here the question is the hottest region of Bunsen flame shown in the figure. These are the four figures. This is and this one and this one. Okay. So answer to this question is region 2. Okay. What is the answer? Region 2 is the hottest portion. That is region 2 is the hottest portion. Okay. So it will be blue flame. What will be it? It will be the blue flame. According to this diagram I am telling you, it is of the blue flame, hottest region of Bunsen burner. Okay, region 2. So that means what is the answer? D is the correct answer. Okay. So you need not to write the answers hurriedly now. After this lecture, what you can do, you can go through this lecture and what you will do, take a screenshots. Okay. And after that, thoroughly try yourself. Then you will come to know and you will have a permanent notes with you. Okay. So let's see the next part. Okay, next aqueous solution of a salt of X. Aqueous solution of a salt of X turns blood red. See, these colors are very important. What is given here? Blood red color. Okay, blood red color. There are many colors like crimson red, brick red, blood red. Okay, not green, simple green. It is apple green. Like that, some words will be used. They are most useful for identification of the metal ions. Okay, so here blood red color in the CNS and blue on treatment with K4FeCN6. So X also gives chromyl chloride test. So that means chlorine must be present. So chlorine where it is present, copper or B, ferric. Okay, now you will identify which type of radical. I have given a hint. Now it's your time to answer out of the A and B. Okay, see here. Actually, chlorine is both ways present, but iron Fe plus 3 will satisfy the other color. Okay, FeCNS thrice. That is, if you react it with iron, it will form FeCNS thrice. This is of the blood red color. This is which red color? Blood red color. Okay, blood red color. And Fe gives blue coloration, Prussian blue color. Prussian blue color formula will be Fe4. Outside it will be Fe4 and inside it will be 1Fe and it will be FeCNS6 whole thrice. This is the Prussian blue color. Okay. PRUSSIAN, Persian blue color. Okay. So this is the blue color formula. Okay. And this is the blood red color formula and chlorine is present, therefore FeCl3 will be the answer. Okay. So chromium, copper chloride satisfies only one condition, but copper will not satisfy the other condition. Okay. Okay. Next question is the cation that will not be precipitated. Whenever it is a good habit that you will underline so that by mistake also you will not do mistake. Okay. So the cation that will not be precipitated by H2S in presence of dilute HCl. Okay. What is the answer? Answer is cobalt 2 plus. Okay. Cobalt 2 plus will precipitate, but H2S must be present in presence of NH4OH. What is the answer? It should be CO2 plus will precipitate. I agree, but not in presence of dilute HCl. It will be in presence of ammonium hydroxide, and it belongs to which group? This belongs to 14th group of the cationic analysis. Okay. This is the group reagent for 14th group of the cationic analysis. Okay. Next question. A pink colored salt. A pink colored salt turns blue. A pink colored salt turns blue on heating. Okay. So in presence of which cation is most likely? The presence of which cation is most likely? Actually, salt is pink color, but when you heat, it will turns blue color. Okay. Okay, here you can see a pink colored salt. Salt must be pink color. Okay. Actually, Fe2 plus also rarely pink. Problem is that cobalt 2 plus also rare pink. Okay. Pink, and Fe2 plus also rarely pink. What it is called? Rarely pink. But it will not turn blue on heating. Okay. And you are already aware that zinc 2 plus. If you are not aware, you can add to your knowledge. Zinc salts are white in color. And in the solid state we have studied, it turns colorful when it is heated due to some metal excess defect. Okay. And copper 2 plus in the hydrated form it is blue color. Okay. So it is pink, but it does not turn. Therefore, this is not option. This is not option. This is not option. So option will be A. Okay. This is the A option. All of you will take screenshot after that, so that the related question you will be able to solve. If you prepare these questions only, you will be able to answer this question only. So if you see my explanation and properly maintain notes, then it will be useful for the forthcoming examinations. Okay, next question. Sodium carbonate cannot be used in place of the ammonium carbonate for the identification of calcium, barium, strontium. Okay, during the mixture analysis, because the question is during the mixture analysis is because. Option A, Mg2 plus will also be precipitated. Option B, CO3 2 negative ion concentration very less. Sodium will react with acid radical. Sodium will interfere calcium and barium. Okay. Answer to this question. Answer to this question is A. What is the answer? Magnesium ion also will be precipitated. Okay. What actually we wanted to identify calcium only, or barium only, or strontium only. If magnesium also present, then there is no use. Already we are confused with the calcium is available, or barium is available, or strontium is available. If magnesium is present, that will also be precipitated. Okay, so that's why sodium carbonate is not used in place of the ammonium carbonate. In place of what carbonate? Ammonium carbonate. Okay, so let us see the next question. Next, which of the following statement is incorrect? Okay, so again what I told you, wherever the question is not correct, incorrect, not true, then you should underline those. It will reduce your negative marking. Okay, now Fe2 plus ion also gives blood red color. Okay, with SCN minus. Okay. Second one, Fe3 plus gives blood red color. Just now we have studied this. And on passing, here it is also, it is given also. Okay. So H2S into Zn Na to ZnO2, white precipitate of ZnS will be formed. Okay. Next, cupric ion for react with excess ammonia solution to a deep color solution of deep blue color solution of this ion. Okay. So which of them are incorrect? Which of them are incorrect? Okay, so answer to this question is A. Only ferric ion will give the blood red color. Fe2 plus ion does not give blood red color. Okay. Formula blood red color will be FeSCN thrice, not twice. Okay. So I think it is clear now. Now let's see the next question. Which one of the following statement is correct? Which one of the following statement is correct? Okay. From a mixed precipitate of AgCl. Here question is about the correct. Previous question was about the incorrect, but this question is about the correct. From a mixed precipitate of AgCl and AgI, ammonia solution dissolves only in AgCl. Second, ferric ions give a deep green precipitate on adding potassium ferrocyanide. Okay. Next, on boiling solution with K plus and Ca2 plus and HCO3 minus, we get precipitate of K2CO3. Okay. Next, manganese salts give a violet color borax bead test in the reducing flame. So this is about the question. Now you can try. Okay, here the answer to this question is A option. Answer to this question is A option. Okay. So actually silver iodide is sparingly soluble or less soluble with respect to in comparison to AgCl. We have to give the correct answer. Okay. Rest all are wrong. Rest all are what? Wrong. Okay. Note down this and let's do the next question. Okay, next question is when H2S passed through the Hg2S. H2S is passed through the Hg2S, what we get? HGS is passed through the H2S, what we get? Okay, question is it clear? Okay, now tell me the answer or we listen to my explanation. Okay, here answer is Hg2S and Hg. Okay, this is just a memory test like memory based. Okay, now let's see the next question. How do we differentiate between Fe plus 3 and chromium plus 3 of group 3? Okay, reagent you should suggest which reagent you will use. Okay, so by using NH4OH or by increasing the NH4 concentration or by decreasing the NH4 OH minus or both B and C. Both B and C. Okay. Okay. Answer to this question is by increasing the NH4 plus concentration. Actually, we will add NH4Cl. Okay. So when we add NH4Cl, it will suppress the soluble ionization of NH4OH. Okay. It will suppress the ionization of NH4OH and prevents the precipitation of higher group of hydroxide. Okay. So when I use, suppose Fe plus 3 is present, which is present, Fe plus 3 is present, what it will do, it will form the reddish brown precipitate. Reddish brown precipitate formed means Fe plus 3 is present. Okay. But if it bluish precipitate will be formed by the chromium hydroxide. Okay. So blue precipitate confirms the identification of the chromium and reddish brown precipitate. Which precipitate? Reddish brown precipitate. Reddish brown precipitate will confirm the Fe. Okay. Okay, here is a question from the ionic equilibrium, but it is more of experimental based. That's why I have to add here. Okay, alkali is treated against an acid. with methyl orange as an indicator. Okay. Indicator theory, separate lecture is available in ionic equilibrium. Kindly go through that. Which of the following is correct combination? Okay. Methyl orange and acid. So alkali is treated. Okay. Methyl orange, according to that, you have to identify. Okay, now you tried all of you. Now I will explain. Actually, methyl orange indicator whose pH range will be 3.9. Okay, 3.9 to 4.5. What is the pH range? 3.9 to 4.5. And this side it will turn yellow. What it will turn? It will turn yellow. And left side this will be pinkish red. It will be which red? Pinkish red. This is all about the methyl orange. Okay. So pinkish red color. This is all about the pH range of methyl orange. Now at least after this hint you should be able to answer. Answer to this question is C. Okay. When weak base strong acid is added. So then strong acid pH will be less. So pH will be less means less than 3.9. Then it will be yellow to pinkish red. So actually initially base. So it will be yellow color. And if you keep on adding the acid, then it will turn into the pinkish red color. Okay. So now it is clear now. Okay. Next question is about this white sodium salt dissolves readily in water. Dissolves readily in water to give a solution. To give a solution which is neutral to litmus. Which is what to litmus? Neutral to litmus. Okay. So when silver nitrate solution is added to it for mentioned solution, okay, for this solution, formed solution or for mentioned solution, a white precipitate is obtained, which does not dissolve in dilute nitric acid. Then acidic radical is. That acidic radical in that you have to find out. Okay. What is the answer? Okay, answer to this question is Cl minus. Okay, so NaCl is a neutral to litmus, and white precipitate means AgCl. White precipitate is of AgCl. So answer will be D. Answer will be D. Okay, next question is for standardization of NaOH solution, which of the following is used as a primary standard? Which of the following is used as a primary standard? Okay, question I think clear now. You can try and let me know. Okay, answer to this question is oxalic acid. What is the answer? Oxalic acid is used as a primary standard. In the oxalic acid, COOH, okay, will be converted to COONA. COONA, okay. Okay, next question is incorrect statement among the following. What you have to find? Incorrect statement among the following you have to find out. Okay. Cu2 plus ion gives chocolate colored precipitate with potassium ferrocyanide. Cu2 plus Nu2 plus gives black precipitate with H2S in presence of HCl. Ferric ion gives blood red color with potassium thiocyanate, and Cu2 plus salt give red color borax bead test in reducing flame. Okay, so this is what the question is. Now you can try and tell me. Incorrect you have to identify. So answer to this question is B. Actually, neon 2 plus nickel, sorry, not neon, nickel 2 plus does not give black precipitate. Okay, that's why it is incorrect. Copper 2 plus is not a problem, but nickel 2 plus does not give black precipitate. That is the incorrect statement. Okay.